Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Appreciate the thumbs up. Today we're going to make I'm going to make a drink called the Sun and Shadow. Comes in at 28% ABV. Pretty strong drink. So let's get started. Calls for 2 Coruba dark Jamaican. And 1/2 Whalers dark. I'm putting this in instead of the extra half of the Coruba because this has a great smoky flavor from Kentucky. And 3/4 Lemon Hart, 151. Always tell people before you serve them 151. Turn cold here. Looks like winter has arrived. And 1/2 apricot brandy. I'm going to use this brand, very strong apricot. You can use a different brand. The brandy, 1/2. And 2 pineapple juice. Use the old standby fresh pressed sometime in the past. 2. And 1/2 Persian lime. Okay, I'm going to whip this, a couple of cubes. Going to go in this this glass. And a straw. And if you're in the mood to subscribe, there's a brown icon right there you can press. And I've also noticed when I try to watch my videos on my PC that the recipe in the description doesn't show up. The description's not there. If I watch it on my television, I can see the description. So I'm going to show the description, the ingredients here. So at the end of the video, you can have a look. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.